हेलो फ्रेंड्स। क्लास टेंथ का इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का हाफ का क्वेश्चन पेपर है जिसको आज हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन पेपर दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड। सेक्शन ए ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप और सेक्शन बी आपका सब्जेक्टिव टाइप। सेक्शन ए में 24 क्वेश्चन है जिसको आपको करने जो एमसीक्यू बेस है जिसको आज हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। सेक्शन ए के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपके 6 क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर दिए गए जिसमें से 4 क्वेश्चन आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोट एंड एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन विद इन द कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस साइकिल। कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस साइकिल का इनमें से कौन से एक एलिमेंट्स नहीं है। चैनल, सेंडर, टाइम या रिसीवर। करेक्ट आंसर है टाइम। इलेक्शन campaign are the most common examples of interpersonal communication. Which of the following is not a type of interpersonal communication? Poster, press conference, broadcast, public speech. Correct answer है poster. A dash operating system is a computing environment that reach to input within a specific period of time. Real time, single user, multi user, distributed. Correct answer is real time. Which of the following is are the terms of stretch, social relations, FedEx, body stretch, all of this. Correct answer, all of this. What happen if you leave a device plug in even after it is charged 100%? It can break, it can stop functioning, it can overheat the data and get corrupt. Correct answer, it can overheat. Next questions. Tisha is always tense during the exam time. She is sincere and studious students, but the thought of exams create anxiety in her. Which stage management technique you would suggest to help her? Yoga, exercise, vacation with family, all of this. Correct answer all of this. Next question number second में 6 में से आपको 5 करने हैं. First step, proper use of styles improve in documents formatting, consistency, personality, all of this. Correct answer कि हम किसी भी स्टाइल को कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। जब हम उसकी फॉर्मेटिंग करेंगे, कंसिस्टेंसी करेंगे और उसको प्रेजेंट्स करेंगे इजीली, तब वो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा डी ऑप्शन ऑल ऑफ दिस। नेक्स्ट अलाउ अप्लाई द सेम स्टाइल एट द डिफरेंट प्लेस इन द document. Style and formatting templates, fill format, fill mode. Correct answer is style and formatting. Next time macro are useful test a task the same way over and over again. Repeat, copy, paste, calculate. Correct answer repeat. Next, the path of a file hash dash forward slash 4321. Correct answer is 1. The default function which using the consolidate is average sum max count. Correct answer is sum. Which of the following can be used? Is a style menu, F11 function key, sidebar, menu, formatting toolbar, all of these. Correct answer are all of these. Next, a dash refer to a cell or a range of cell on a worksheet and can be used to find the value or data that you what formula to calculate cell range, cell address, cell name, cell reference. Correct answer cell reference. A relative hyperlink store the location with the respect to the dash location, current, relative, actual, none of these. Correct answer relative. Which of the following is an example of the absolute cell referencing? C $5, C $5, C and hash C. Correct answer है $C and $5. B option correct है यहाँ पर the text or image which appearing finally in the background of a page is called watermark, trademark, copyrights, embossing. Correct answer watermark. Next questions. Image toolbar does not provide a tools for filtering, cropping, flipping, copying. Correct answer copying. The dash handles image are used to rotate it side, corner, circular, center. Correct answer corner. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में भी आपके 6 क्वेश्चन दिए गए 5 करने। फर्स्ट रोहित ने स्कोर किया 25 आउट ऑफ 30 इंग्लिश में, 22 आउट ऑफ 30 मैथ्स में। ही वांट्स टू कैलकुलेट द स्कोर IT he needs to achieve 85% in every grade. Suggest him two suitable option out of the following to do macro solver goal 6 subtotal. Correct answer is sub goal 6. Which option cannot be performed through subtotal in a subspecies? Some product average percentage. Correct answer percentage. All the bottom is worksheet left tab indicate the dash of the worksheet in a workbook size. 3 types name colors 1. Correct answer name. To update you see manually right click and select dash option from the pop-up menu. Update index, edit index, delete index, update UC. Correct answer update index. Dash include margin, header and footer, border and backgrounds, page style, paragraph style, character style, frame style. Correct answer page style. Gaurav has made on the advertisement in digital document. He is the facing the difficulty in position the image within the text. Suggest him who can adjust the image, wrap text, crop, alignment, layout. Correct answer wrap text. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 6 में से 5 करना है यहाँ भी आपको द क्विट फिल फॉर्मेट मोड प्रेस द डैश की एंटर कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एस्केप करेक्ट आंसर एस्केप which option used to undo the task control plus Z alt plus backspace control y shift k plus k correct answer control plus 5 Z which of the following heading can be indexed in a writer h1 h3 h7 all of these correct answer है all of the above जो हमारी इंडेक्स में राइटर्स में हेडिंग्स होती है 10 हेडिंग्स तक होती है H1 से H10 तक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन scenario जो ऑप्शन इज अवेलेबल इज डैश मेन्यू डाटा टूल्स इंसर्ट विंडोज करेक्ट आंसर है यहाँ पर हमारा tools dash is more appropriate of form the goal six and erase total solver all of this correct answer is solver which of the following of calc help to see the change made in the shares worksheet record change solver subtotal none of them correct answer है record change